This is the Ultrasonic Powder Feed Center, the Colo 6200 PC. Its function is to provide fresh powder from the packaging as well as recovered powder from the spray booth. Now, let me show you some of the different components on the machine. Here we have the PLC Control Center, which gives you control over the whole automatic line. This screen helps to take the new powder and the old powder, which has been recycled. It sieves them together, mixes them, and allows them to be loaded again for another use. Next, we have the pump, which provides fresh powder to the ultrasonic vibration screen. From there, it is fed inside the machine into one of the injectors, and then afterwards, the injectors feed the powder to the spray gun. Next here we have the powder tank, which can provide fresh powder into the pump. Lastly, the machine has the powder supply system and the powder recovery system. Some of the advantages of this unit are fast color changes, integrated control system using the PLC interface. And the fourth and final advantage of this unit is the ultrasonic vibration screen to help give maximum performance. And the fourth and final advantage to this machine is, of course, the ultrasonic vibration screen, which helps to give accurate and great performance. The third advantage is the powder position sensor, which helps you to accurately provide maximum or minimum powder position. And the fourth and final advantage is the ultrasonic vibration screen, which helps to provide both accurate and excellent performance.